If any of you working as a AR caller and wanted to become a medical coding, then this video is for you guys. So here we are doing a training cum placement program where AR callers can come and join and become a medical coder. Okay, it will take hardly 2 to 3 months. Fine. So let me introduce this course, but before that, you might have these two questions. Okay, can I get a job after completion of course, and can I survive after getting the job? Okay, so at the end of this video, you will find answer for these two questions. Okay, so now let me walk you through this course. Okay, so first of all, who is eligible for this training? So AR callers, certified and non-certified. Okay, some of you might have certification, some might not have certification. Okay, if you are non-certified, within this training you can become certified. Okay, so AR caller, if you have at least 3 months of experience also, you can opt for this training. You can become a medical coder. Okay, so what is benefit of this training? 100% job guarantee, guys, and you will get high salary and completely day shift. This is the main reason for you guys to choose medical coding, right? So right now you are working as a AR caller, night shift, and you want a day shift. Yes, you will get day shift. So job guarantee is there. If you get a job, then only you pay as the fee. Okay, this is completely pay after placement. Okay, now we will see training and duration timings. Okay, until you get a job, you will get our support. Okay, and timings after your working hours, you can practice, or at weekends also you can come and practice. Okay, so these are the timings. Now this is the important details, guys. So here totally we have 5 steps. If you complete these 5 tests, you can easily become a medical coder. Okay, so earlier you have 2 questions, right? Can I get a job or how can I survive? So you will find answer for these 2 questions. Okay, so now we will see what is the first step. Your first step should be theory classes. You will get all the theory classes. Okay, once you done with that, you will be working on the charts. Okay, so until reach your production and quality. So we all know that if you give your production and quality, nobody will ask you anything, right? So if you complete your production and quality, so your survival is sure. You will easily survive. Okay, so and one more thing, if you complete your production, then it's easy for you to get the job. Why? Because in interview they won't ask only theory classes. They will also ask questions from scenarios. Okay, at that time it will help you to get the job also. So if you complete this third step, okay, first theory classes, second work on a charts, not 5 to 10, guys. I am talking about quality and production. Okay, it will take at least 2 to 3 months. And once you're done with that, yes, now you can go any project, you can easily do your work. Okay, meanwhile, if you don't have certification, after you get confidence, then you sit for certification. Once you're done with your certification, we will prepare one resume, and then you have to sit for mock interviews. We will conduct for you, then you will land on a job. So these are the 5 key steps. Okay, anyone will follow these 5 steps, they will become medical coder. Okay, so since you might have 2 to 3 years of experience, maybe 4 to 5. Okay, so it is very difficult if you go with only theory classes. So before theory, you have to do all this process. Okay, so hope you understood. Okay, now we will see training fee. Training fee is completely pay after placement. So, but initially you have to pay for classes. We will take only some portion of the total amount, guys. And after that, once you get a job, after you get offer letter, then you pay us the remaining money. Okay, so I hope I have cleared all the questions. Okay, one more thing, it's not a backdoor process guys, it's completely front door only. Means you will upskill yourself, we will help you to upskill yourself. Okay, there is no backdoor. Okay, strictly. Now we will convert AR into medical coding by upskilling your knowledge. Okay, upskilling happen with two things. First is theory classes, then you will be complete your production and quality. Okay, these are the two things which will help you to move from AR college to medical coding. Okay, hardly it will take 2 months. If you work hard for 2 months and remaining all your life, you can work on day shift itself. Okay, so if you are interested, then you can contact us guys. I have given a Google form link in the description. Go and leave your all contact details and I will call you as soon as possible. Okay, thank you.